Third question, the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging when it cost of rupees 150. Okay, every meter digging cost how much here? 150 rupees for the first meter. For the first meter 150 rupees. Again, and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. Again, now first digging, what is the amount cost here? Rupees 150. Again for second time it become 150 plus 50. Okay, it increases 50 rupees. Now first starting amount is A1, that is cost rupees 150 for digging a well. Cost, that is 150 rupees. Now second time 50 rupees increases for each subsequent meter. So 150 plus 50 rupees 50. So this is equal to rupees 200. The next A3. Now what is here? Rupees 200 plus rupees 50. This is equal to rupees 250. Next A4 is equal to rupees 250 plus rupees 50. So this is equal to rupees how much? Rupees 300. Now we have to check it the difference of each number here in the sequence. Now here A2 minus A1. What is here? 200 minus 150, A1 is 150, so this is equal to 50. Then A3 minus A2 is equal to, what is A3 here? 250 minus A2, what is here? 200. So what is the answer here? 50. Now here difference what we got? We got same, that is 50, that is constant. So here common difference is constant or difference is common. Okay, so therefore it is in AP, arithmetic progression. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum, at 8% per year. Per annum is nothing but per year. Okay, now what is the amount here? Principal amount 10,000. What is the rate here? R is equal to 8%. Compound interest amount, total amount, how to find here? Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R divided by 100 whole to the power of N. Now what is the total amount in the first year? A1 is equal to, so what we should take here? Now P, what is the P here? 10,000 principal amount. So 1 plus, what is the rate of interest? 8 divided by 100 to the power of 1. Okay, 1 year. The next A2, 10,000, 1 plus 8 divided by 100, here N means we should take 2. The next A3 is equal to 10,000, 1 plus 8 divided by 100 to the power of 3. Next A4 is equal to 10,000, 1 plus 8 divided by 100 to the power of 4. Now we should find the difference. Okay, you know that how to find the difference? A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. What is A2 here? 10,000. Then 1 plus 8 divided by 100 whole to the power of 2 minus A1 10,000, 1 plus 8 divided by 100 to the power of 1. Okay. Now here 1 plus 8 by 100 whole square is there. So this shall we write 2 times? Okay. Now 10,000 you should write as it is. 1 plus 8 by 100 into 1 plus 8 by 100 2 times minus 10,000 1 plus 8 divided by 100. Okay. Now here into 1 will take, so this part into 1 also will get same value. Now here 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100, 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100, so that you should take common. Okay, both side is there, so that you should take common here. 1 plus 8 by 100. Okay. So what is remaining inside the bracket here? Now we took this one and this outside the bracket. Now what is remaining here? 1 plus 8 by 100, this side remained. Then this side minus 1. If no number is there means we should take a 1. Okay. Then plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So what is the answer here? 10,000 1 plus 8 by 100 into 8 by 100. So this is first one. So next we should find A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. What is A3 here? 10,000 1 plus 8 divided by 100 whole cube, because power 3 is there. Then minus A2 10,000 1 plus 8 by 100 whole square, 10,000, okay, 1 plus 8 by 100 whole square. Now you see again this we have to expand it. 10,000 1 plus 8 by 100 whole square into 1 plus 8 by 100 to the power of 1. Shall we write like this? 2 plus 1 it become 3. Then minus 10,000 1 plus 8 by 100 whole square. Now this part and this part we have to take common. 10,000 1 plus 8 by 100 whole square. Okay. Now what is remained here? 1 plus 8 by 100 minus 1. Here no number means 1. Now plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Now what is remaining here? 10,000 1 plus 8 divided by 100 whole square into 8 by 100. Now this is second one. Now compare it first and second, whether both are same. Both are not same. So from 1 and 2, okay, both are not equal. Both are not same. So therefore it is not in arithmetic progression. Okay.